Welcome back, students. Today we will start further with the poem The Rebel after the second chapter, A Gift of Chapels, and it is composed by DJ Enright. First of all, we must know what is rebel. Rebel is a person who fights against his country's government because he wants things to change. The poem describes the character of a rebel, a person who does not conform to the norms of the society. The rebel is described as a person who would contradict others in order to be different. The character of the rebel in the poem is not based on a political activist, but seems to be a character sketch of a young adolescent trying to be different. All the instances in the poem are repetitive affirmations of this fact. So let's start with the explanation of the poem. When the rebel encounters a group of people with short hair, he would allow his hair to grow long because he derives pleasure and satisfaction by going against the grain. However, he is not constant, and therefore, when he sees people growing their hair long, he would end up cutting his short. When a rebel sees everybody talk during the lesson, the rebel suddenly finds his silence most valuable. However, because he is a rebel, he cannot help but create disturbances and make a series of interjections. When he sees that everybody else has become quiet, the rebel constantly seeks attention by doing that what others don't do. Why a rebel does such kind of actions? Because the rebel always wants to show and exhibit himself as different one. He would wear colorful clothes when everybody else is dressed up in a common uniform. However, the moment he sees others dressed up in different and colorful clothes, he would be unable to control his urge to wear the uniform. Whenever the rebel finds himself in the company of dog lovers, he begins to prefer the cats. On the other hand, on being surrounded by cat lovers, he will put in a favorable word for dogs. His preferences and choices never seem to match with anyone else in the group. Even with respect to the weather, it is difficult to bring the rebel on board, for he would appreciate the sun while all others would be welcoming the rains and miss the rains, while others would be enjoying the sun. The rebels are people who are usually all alone, for they prefer to tread on a different path than others. So, when others go for meeting, they stay at home and read a book. When the others stay at home, they go to the meeting. Saying yes when everybody says no and saying no when everybody says yes is another character trait of the rebel. It seems that having rebels around us is beneficial as they train us to acknowledge differences. However, it is not good to be a rebel because they are not accepted by the society. Now we will move further with the question answers, and our first question is, if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? The answer is, the teacher will ask him or her about the reason for not being in uniform and then takes action according to the reply. Next question is, when everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? The answer of the question is, when everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants rain the most. Question number 3 is, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? And our answer is, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, then everyone else is likely to have a cat. Okay, now see question number 4. why is it good to have rebels? And the answer is, it is good to have rebels because very few people have the power to oppose the decisions of the majority. They think differently and fearlessly stand with their choices, which can be beneficial. Look at the fifth one. Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? The answer of the question is, it is not good to rebel oneself because no one will like you. It keeps you apart from the people and they will be like enemy for you. Move forward with the next question. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why not? The answer is, no, I would not like to be a rebel because I don't have the guts to oppose the majority, and moreover, I can't hurt the feelings of the people. I don't want to be a source of bitterness among the people. So, with the help of the poem, the poet tells the nature of a rebel who does just opposite of what others do. The poet tells that it is dangerous, but at the same time it is good because it is rebel who comes with the new ideas. I hope you enjoyed the poem. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.